Hi, I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Today's video is Yin Yoga. Let's begin. For this episode, you need a pillow, so please bring the pillow close by. Okay? Kneel down, sit nice and tall. For this one, so you are going to do prayer pose behind option 1. Okay? If it's too much, option 2, you just can hug your elbows like this. Okay, either hugging your elbows or prayer pose. Kneeling down. And inhale, exhale. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the nose. Start shifting your breathing to the Ujjayi pranayama, Ujjayi breath. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Continue breathing on your own. Soften your chest as you exhale. Drop your shoulders down. Inhale, expand your chest, widen your collarbones. Exhale, relax your cheek, forehead. Inhale, create space between each vertebra. And exhale, everything melting down. Now release your arms. Take a little pause. Okay, now bring a pillow and one knee straight, other knee bent, and place your pillow about your knee, both knees. So you are kind of inhale, exhale, upper body down. You're kind of hugging your pillow. So you have to find a comfortable place to place your pillow. And just kind of hugging pillow, folding forward. And connect your sitting bone down. Either keeping your toes flexed or relax point. Either way. And from here, again, cultivate Ujjayi pranayama, Ujjayi breath. Soften your shoulders. As you inhale, crown reaching opposite way. As you exhale, soften everything. Soften your muscles. Soften your belly. Intentionally relax your muscle. Relax, release any tension. No longer serves you. And slowly as you exhale, come up. And let's change your legs. Hug your pillow. Inhale and exhale, soft, let it go. Again, inhale, expand, create space. And as you exhale, release any tension no longer necessary to you. And if you notice tension on your neck or arm, shoulder, chest, melt them down. Unfold yourself. Just walk on breath. Each breath becoming heavier, heavier, and lighter. Go deeper, and your body gets lighter and lighter. And when you're ready, back to straight. Okay, now place a pillow on the top of the mat. And we are going to do the modified Bhujangasana baby cobra. So the purpose of this is lifting up your chest slightly to stretch your neck and upper back. Crown reaching to the sky. And place your 10 toes down. And your pelvis pressing down. And soften your glute. Again, tuning your intention to Ujjayi breath, Ujjayi pranayama. Now, gently, slowly come up. Okay, now let's place your pillow under your upper back and lay down on your back slowly. Make sure to support your neck and lift up your chest. Open up collarbone and lift up sternum. And from here, let's put your left leg over your right knee and hold your right knees. And inhale. And exhale, let it go. Everything melting down onto the mat. And relax your jaw, relax your chin, relax your forehead. Relax your throat, shoulders, chest. Just focus on breathing. Deep inhale to expand your chest, fill up with air. And deep, long exhale to release. Now, as you exhale, drop your knees to your right. And open your chest and look to your left. And breathe. Each exhale, your legs heavier and heavier, deeper connected to the ground, to the earth. Now, as you exhale, back to center. And let's switch your legs. And grab your knee. Deep inhale. And exhale. No force. Everything relax and soft. Each breath deeper, deeper. The body sinking down to the mat. Okay, now as you exhale, bring your knees to your left. And open your arm, look to your right. And release. Deeper and deeper twist. Again, the gravity does a work. Let the gravity do its work. Now, as you exhale, bring your knees back to the center and straighten your arms, straighten your legs. Take final pose of Shavasana. Deep inhale. Exhale, let it go. This sequence is designed to decompress and recharge. I recommend you do it as often as you need. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel and select the bell option to get notified of my future videos. See you soon!